Hi, this video is meant to help you better understand what cognitive modeling is and how you might use it. From a young age, we participate in self-talk. Think of that 5-year-old who walks up to a stove and says, "Don't touch, hot." Or he might say his whole alphabet trying to figure out what the next letter is. As we get older, we internalize this self-talk. However, it's still there. When you repeat a grocery list out loud to make sure you don't forget milk, eggs, that's your inner speech. Or if you're counting out loud, doing a recipe to make sure that you use 4 scoops and not 5. Cognitive modeling pulls this inner speech out so that others, like your students, can observe internal thought processes. Cognitive modeling is not telling someone the steps you took to solve a problem. It's thinking out loud as you solve the problem. Good teachers, they use cognitive modeling frequently when teaching math, which is all about solving problems. Think about the teacher who stands at a whiteboard, sharing a story problem with her class. She might say, what numbers do I need? Well, I need 200. I need 300. Do I need to add, subtract, multiply, divide? It says total, so that tells me I need to add. Cognitive modeling like this can also be applied to social problems. Just remember, it is not just telling the steps. To demonstrate how you can apply cognitive modeling to social problems, I'd like to share a scenario with you. I remember a time, a long time ago, when I had an important meeting scheduled, but my husband called last minute saying he couldn't pick up our kids from school, and I didn't know what to do. I thought to myself, how could he call me today of all days? I told him weeks ago about this meeting, and I reminded him again last night. This meeting has taken forever to set up, and I'm the one in charge. I can't cancel the meeting, but it's at the same time my boys get out of school. What am I going to do? At this point, I was really upset. So I said to myself, okay, Megan, you need to calm down. Being upset isn't going to change the situation, and it might make things worse. I'm going to take a few deep breaths and count slowly to 10. Okay, now I'm feeling calmer, and I can probably think things through. By now, I had calmed down a bit, and I began thinking, what do I want here? I have to get my children picked up from school, but I also have a meeting at the same time. I can't be in 2 places at once. Both are important, but I'm stuck with a really frustrating barrier. Okay, so I have to be at work for my meeting, but I also need to get my children picked up from school. I'm going to have to do something. I could call my husband back and give him a piece of my mind because I told him last night and he agreed and knew about my meeting. That won't change anything. All right, maybe I could call my dad to see if he could pick them up. No, I forgot he's got a doctor's appointment this afternoon. I could call my neighbor. She's always offering to help. Oh wait, she's out of town. Maybe I could just shift the meeting time. No, Anne has a meeting right before and Stephen has one right after. That won't work. If I can't change the meeting time, maybe I can change the time I pick up the boys. I don't usually pick them up early, so I doubt the school will mind. That way I can pick them up and still make it to my meeting on time. That's what I'll do. So I called the school, told them I was going to pick them up an hour early, and when I got there, I was even able to arrange to have their work and so that we could work on it later. I made it to my meeting on time, my children were picked up, and everything turned out okay. You know, calming down really helped me, and it made a big difference thinking before I reacted. That was one example of cognitive modeling. Simply telling the story step by step wouldn't be the same thing. Showing your thought processes and sharing your inner speech is essential when using cognitive modeling. I hope this video helped you gain a greater understanding of what cognitive modeling is and how you might implement it.